Hello, my name is Nikhil kalal from group 317. Today's topic is about the photobiological process in which the subtopic is vision. Vision refers to the ability to perceive and interrupt the surrounding environment through the light that enter the eyes, and this is one of the fine primary sense and play a critical role in how we interact with the world. Here are the comprehensive overview of the eye. Anatomy of the eye. First, cornea, the clear front layer of the eye that help the focus light. Cornea help to focus on the light. Pupil, the opening in the center of the iris that regulate the amount of light entering of the house. The work of pupil is like how many amount of light goes to the inside the eyes for forming an image. Iris, the color part of the eye that control the size of pupil. The iris main property is like which control the size of pupil downward and contract and relax, through which the light interact in the eye. Lens, a transparent structure that further focus light on the retina. Lens work is the transparent structure which focus on the retina to then focus the light. Retina, a layer or at the back of the eye containing photoreceptor cells, rods and cones that convert light into neural signal. Retinas work like a did convert us light outside light into the neural signal and making a photoreceptor cell which have present the rods and cones. The optic nerve, here are the optic nerve and the structure of eye transit visual information from the retina to the brain. Here the structure of eye, here we can see lens, pupil, cornea, anterior chamber and orocetra to the either macula, here sclera, retina. Here the humor in the eyes, we have present the vitreous humor and the artery and veins, which backside convert to the optic nerve and there goes to the brain, where the image can form and back to the eye. Here are the photoreceptor. The photoreceptor are 2 and 4 types. Rods. First is rods, sensitive to low light, are responsible for night vision, do not detect color. Rods is usually used in the night. For low light, dim light, we can see the rods are dilated and we can see the image. They are not color detected, these are just see the image. The second one is cones function in bright light, are responsive for the color vision, and there are three layers, three types: red, green and blue. In cones, we is directly is used in on the day, or if we can he can see the color vision like different types of color, red, green and blue, we can see by these types of photoreceptors. The third is visual processing. Light enter through the cornea and passes through the lens and it focus on the retina. First the light goes to the cornea and then passes through the lens and focus on the retina where the image is formed. Photoreceptor in the retina convert light into the electric signal. These signals are sent via the optic nerve to the visual cortex in the brain. Photoreceptor convert the light into the electric signal. Photoreceptor work like a that converting signal into the electric signal, and then this signal goes through the brain by the optic nerve. There are types of vision: monocular vision and binocular vision. Monocular vision using one eye, providing depth perception. By now using both eyes, enhance depth and perception, not allow for three-dimensional view. Fifth one is the color vision. Human have a typically a trichromatic vision, meaning we have three types of cones. They allow us to perceive a wide range of colors. Here we say can cones, we have different type of color: red, green and blue. Color blindness occur when one or more types of cones are absent or malfunction. If there is type of any defect or any type of cones or not working, then there is show the blindness of here. Here are the mechanism where the light is goes. On the first, the light is coming, the optic nerve goes to the, then the light goes to the ganglionic blocker, then it goes to the amniotic crive, then it go to the bipolar cell, then goes to the horizontal cell, then cones and rods where the light and image is formed, and how many light enter we can see in the bipolar cells. Here the pigment epithelium and the choroid and sclera. First we detail it. The first is ganglionic cell. Here was check, then optic nerve, then ganglionic cell. These cells extend to form an optic nerve that convey information to the brain and take convey information to the brain and the take electric information from the bipolar lens and processes to determine the shape and contrast and color. Ganglionic cell goes the light enter to ganglionic cell and goes to the bipolar cells where the light, color, contrast and how many light is goes enter further. It's decided here in the ganglionic cell. The second is bipolar cell. Bipolar cell, the dependence of each layer of the retina on each other is amplified here. These cells takes the electrical information from the photoreceptor cell and pass it along to other retinal cells. Bipolar cells converted electric signals to the another one and they goes to by the optic nerve to brain. The horizontal cell. These cells are connected to the photoreceptor that surround the bipolar connected photoreceptor cells and help the integrate and regulate the input from multiple photoreceptor cells and increase your visual activity. Horizontal cells activity like he just increases the we can see more images by you are using increasing your visual activity. The photoreceptor, this is where the rods and cones are located that converted light into electrical signal. The main function of the funds like photoreceptor which have a constant rods and cones which converted the light into electrical signal. Rod help you in the light and peripheral vision. Cones are more concentrated in the macula. Macula is the is the point where the sharpest image of the eye is formed, the central part of the retina, and prove that central and color vision. Fifth one is retinal pigment epithelium. This is a single layer of cell that provide essential nutrition waste removal for the photoreceptor cell. Accumulation of waste can lead to studies diseases. Retinal pigment they give the nutrition to the eye and the waste product which goes to eye like dust and they remove by the retinal pigment epithelium. Second is choroid. This is made up of the layer of blood vessel that supply oxygen nutrition to the retina. Defect in this gene can cause the choroidema, leaky blood vessel and expand in the retina causing age related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. If there is defect in choroid, we can see in the aged people leaky blood vessel and can expand in the retina causing we can see in the age related person and macular degeneration in the diabetic, so we can vision problem in the choroid. Importance of vision can essential for daily activities including reading, driving and recognizing faces. Here the outer view of the oculomotor nerve, higher we can see the nerves goes by the eye to the brain stem where the image is formed like oculomotor nerve CN cranial nerve 3 and the abducent nerve cranial nerve 6. There goes to the brain and there is information of image by the electrical signal. Thank you.